Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. And as you can see, we've already started here. Now then, the ball's come loose. A good ball, and this looks promising. Great hit! They've scored!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
Oh, the deftness of touch, received it delightfully and finished it off sumptuously. I doubt very much that this was in the script. So just the one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. Certain amount of room for debate here, but a goal kick's been given. Perisic. Now it's Richarlison. Richarlison! Well, now it's a race for the ball. He can get that clear. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. And he's been shifted off it. And it's Son Heung-min. Richarlison. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Oh, that's a key interception. That has been cut short. Well, that is one way to stop him. And he has been fouled there. Matheus Cunha. And he's found a way past Matheus Cunha! And yes, it's there!
Well, that's something that will make the manager proud because they dug in deep then and they've got their leveller.
A moment that needed composure, and he had plenty of it.
Well, he's a defender's nightmare. You try to send him one way and he just slips the other.
Wolverhampton grabbed the equaliser, and we're all square.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two...
It's Son Heung-min! And in again! He's trying his best to keep it in play here. Oh, easy pickings there. And it's Son Heung-min.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach.
Maddison. Can he finish? Oh, he can pounce on that. He is desperate to get on the score sheet, but not this time.
This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count.
Tottenham with the corner, they're first. And that's been levered clear. Wolverhampton can start a counter here. Played out to the right. Son Heung-min, Perisic.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
And into the grateful arms of the keeper. And the half-time whistle goes. A pretty decent watch this, and each side has contributed in equal part. A couple of very good goals for the crowd to enjoy, and a game which is right on the edge. At half-time, it's 1 each. That's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. And we are already promptly back underway. Son Heung-min! It's come back out! Tried the volley, but no.
Well, that was inventive and speculative, but the thought process was a little slicker than the attempt.
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Oh, no, that was never going to make it. Lemina. Nelson Semedo. Perisic. Threads one in. Oh, he's in! Højbjerg. Højbjerg! Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Keeper pulls off a fine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Have their second corner now. Goes to finish! Oh, the ball's come loose here. Swept it. He's had a hit! It's in! And they're back in front. Complete awareness. He understood what was needed and he executed it smoothly.
That's just a great finish, but it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball and it all came good.
Tottenham take the lead. There's the hit! Now, who's going to be first to this?
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Maddison. Shot a goal! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. And again! Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
Yeah, listen, we often get critical of...
Can he put it away? It's run loose, who's in for the pieces? Wolverhampton have a free kick. He's going for goal! That's a fine save!
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Should have equalised.
Oh, he can't hide away from how important that was.
Now it's Richarlison. Shot could be on, and he's running through. Out to the left it goes. He's got the shot away! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Shapes to shoot! Picked out brilliantly. Real chance hit. There's the shot! And that would have been game, set and match.
Well, he's definitely kept the side in the game then. That's really good positioning. They could have doubled their lead there.
Number 27, number 8, coming on the field, number 7.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
And it's gone back to the keeper. Maddison. Oh, good spread.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Now it's Maddison. Richarlison has a shot! Now, who's going to be first to this? A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary.
Four added minutes has been indicated.
Great defending, strong and determined. And it's Perisic. Oh, he's got a side of goal. Big chance! It's there! 2 up now, and they are cruising. The invitation was clear, and it was accepted with the utmost glee.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
And that will be the final act. Tottenham come away with the win. A job really well done in all departments. A real sum-of-the-parts team effort. Richarlison taking in the accolades, having been named man of the match, and deservedly so. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
I think